Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can disable one of the option in Instagram where your photos or videos will not be shown in the search engine outside of Instagram. So how you need to disable that one, watch the video till the end, and by the end of the video you will know. So the first thing you need to do is to open Instagram application, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom. It will bring you here. You need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From here, in the settings menu, you need to scroll a bit where you will find account privacy. All you need to do is to tap on it, and here you will find the option allow public photos and videos to appear in search engine results. So if it is enabled, that means that people could find your photos, which is the public photos and videos in search engines outside of Instagram. So if you want to disable that, just tap on this option and disable the option. So guys, this is it. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.